Hello everyone, welcome to Go Best Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a very sumptuous and tasty oha soup. So right here I have my ingredients I'm going to be using to cook. I have my aku, that's my processed banga. I have my kanda cow skin. I have my onions, my fresh pepper, my crayfish, my fish, my oha, my salt, my seasoning, and of course my cocoyam. You can use achi, you can use ofo to also thicken your soup. Whichever one you have in your kitchen, it's also very good. So in my pot here, I have my fish and my goat meat. So these are the two proteins I'm going to be using to prepare my oha soup. So in my pot, I'm going to be adding my onions and my kanda. I'm also going to add salt. I'm going to add my pepper. And I'm going to stir. I have to be careful so that I don't get to scatter my fish. So I'm going to welcome my new followers. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. I'm going to be bringing you more beautiful content like this. So I'm going to add my seasoning. And I'm going to cover this for it to boil for some time. So welcome back. I'm going to be taking out my fish. I'm going to be adding my banga, and I'm going to stir. So I'm going to be adding my dry fish. And I'm going to give that a good stir. I'm going to let it boil. Hello everyone, welcome back. So right now I'm going to be adding my cocoyam. But first I'll go in with my stockfish and my periwinkle. And I'm going to stir. I'm going to add my cocoyam mix. So I'm going to stir. So I'll just with salt. And seasoning. And give that a good mix. You can see it's already getting thickened. So I'm just going to add my fish and crayfish. But first I'll go with my crayfish. And I'll stir that. So I'll add my fish. And I have to be careful now. So I'll stir. So I'm going to leave this to boil for a few minutes. Then I'll add my oha and my soup is ready. As you can see, our soup is boiling and it has thickened. Wow. So I have to adjust with water, but if it's okay for you this week, you can just leave it. So I'm going to add water, half cup of water. I'm going to stir one more time before adding my beef. So here I'm going to add my oha. And I'm going to stir for the last time and cover to cook for 1 to 2 minutes, because you know oha doesn't need to boil much on the fire. And then we bring it down. So I'm being careful because of my fish. So I'll just stir. So I'll just cover for it to cook. Welcome. So as you can see, our oha is boiling and it's very ready. The aroma right now, it's so delicious and tasty. So as you can see, this is a very easy method. You can prepare your oha in your home. So very authentic. Okay, don't forget to comment, like, and share. And also tune in for the next video that's gonna come up soon.